Here we go!
Eastern Garrett and extreme western Allegheny. Ice storm warning in effect from 8 a.m. Friday to 1 a.m. Saturday. Significant icing expected. Total ice accumulations between 2/10 and 3/10 of an inch. Locally near 4/10 of an inch in a few spots. The areas affected include Eastern Garrett and extreme western Allegheny counties. The hazardous weather conditions are expected from 8 a.m. Friday to 1 a.m. Saturday. Impacts, power outages, and tree damage are likely due to the ice. Travel could be nearly impossible. The hazardous conditions could impact the Friday morning and evening commutes. Additional details: precipitation is likely to overspread the area Friday morning in the form of sleet or freezing rain. Freezing rain will continue through the day and into the evening before tapering to freezing drizzle overnight. Through the day, temperatures are expected to remain at or below 32 degrees before gradually warming overnight Friday. Morning temperatures on Saturday could return to near freezing, which may lead to some refreezing on exposed surfaces. Travel is strongly discouraged. If you must travel, keep an extra flashlight, food and water in your vehicle in case of an emergency. Prepare for possible power outages. The latest road conditions for the state you are calling from can be obtained by calling 511. This is a statement